Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Minecraft "This account does not own the game" error. First, open the Minecraft launcher on your computer. Log out of your account. Once you are signed out, close the launcher completely. Then open it again and sign back in using the correct Microsoft account. Make sure you are not using a different email by mistake. This step refreshes your login and often fixes the issue. Next, you need to check the Microsoft Store and Xbox app on your PC. Open the Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon, and sign out. Then sign back in with the same account you used to buy Minecraft. Do the same thing in the Xbox app. If these apps are using a different account, the launcher may not detect your ownership correctly. Now open your browser and go to Minecraft.net. Then go to the profile page and sign in with your account. Once you are logged in, check if the game shows as owned on your profile. If it does not show ownership here, then the problem is not with your launcher. It means the game is not linked to this account. Thanks for watching.